Muridi, Abati, Abanur.
Friends from the Somali community, they came to support us here to see what we do, and we welcome them. አሁን እነዚህ የምታያቸው ጓደኞቼ ናቸው ከሶማሊ ኮሚኒቲ እኛም የምንሰራው ስራ ለማየት ነው። እዚህም ቋጥና ሶማሊያውያን ነው እዚህ ነህና ተዓምስ ማርኮ ኣብ ሶማሊያ ኣብ አፍሪካ ማራዶና ከምፔሌዝ ነበር ያ ቪዚዮ ማለት for him, so you guys come. So what I want is, like I try to reach out to Somali community, Somali task force. I said, bring the people here.
Okay.
This is not only Amharic, Tigrinya, whatever. It's everybody.
We should be all East African come one place, not separate. We are this. We can build our senior program. If we build our community, it's good for us.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today the best, the Mekal, this garden is very good, beautiful. I don't know, but Somalia and Eritrea, I'm happy together. The lunch is very good. I'm happy every time. Next year I will come back. I'm coming to this area. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. My name is Michael Neguse. I'm a program coordinator here at Rainier Valley Urban Farm. I work for Seattle Neighborhood Group, and also I work with sound generation. And at Rainier Valley Urban Farm, we've been coming here for the last 9 years, and we host a senior from Eritrean, Ethiopia, and I'm extending my invitation to the Somali community. Today, I'm very happy and proud to have our brother as Somali football legend here, Muridi at the Abanur, here at the farm. It's great. All my brothers here visiting us. We have fun. I hope we want to bring more East African Somalis to the farm and have fun, work together, and work as a unit to challenge all the challenges here. So I'm so proud to be here today with the legend, and myself used to play a soccer player, but I didn't become famous like him. So thank you for coming, and I really appreciate it. And thank you, Runta.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.